Good day everyone! Today we're going to learn about creating a formula using conditional formatting. Conditional formatting provides visual cues to help you quickly make a sense of your data. For example, to determine the grades of your pupils, you can use conditional formatting. It will clearly show about highs and lows or other data trends based on your criteria you provide. To determine if he or she pass or fail in the exam, so by applying formatting based on a specific condition. So for example, in the grade of the pupil, by using greater than or less than in the grade, or equal to or between certain values. Also by using colors, we can easily identify this formatting. Mas mapapadali ng teacher na ma-identify if she or he pass or failed in the subject. I have here a list of students and their grades in science subject. So, to see who performed below in 80, so we used the conditional formatting. So, click this one. And then, the first item we saw here is the highlight cells rules. And then, it's 7 options. Either greater than, less than, and etc. Our focus is to see who performed below an 80. So, we click this less than. We put here 80. And then, this area is, we can choose what color we gonna use. Either light red, filled with dark red text, or yellow, green, light red, red, and etc. So we gonna choose light red. And then, okay. So as you can see, this red, the 79, 78, 79, these are the students who performed below in 80. Kanina, ang kinuha natin is less than 80. Ngayon naman, ang kukunin natin is higher to 84. So, ganito ang mangyayari. I-click natin yung conditional formatting, highlight, and then greater than. So, greater than to 84. And then, pipili tayo dito ng kulay kasi tapos na tayo sa light red. So, ngayon, ang pipiliin naman natin is itong green. I-click lang natin yung green and then i-click natin ulit yung okay. So, ito yung mga estudyante na nakakuha ng higit pa sa 84 na grades. So, may 88, 86, 85, at saka 90. Ibig sabihin ng kulay red is less than or below in 80. Itong green naman, ito yung mga estudyante na nakakuha ng greater than or higher to 84.